Watch and watch the following counties in Wisconsin: Cadillac, Calumet, Columbia, Iowa, Jefferson, Fond du Lac, Green Lakes, Green, Iowa, Jefferson, Juneau, Kenosha, Lafayette, Marquette, Milwaukee, Ozarki, Racine, Rock, Sauk, Sheboygan, Vernon, Walworth, Washington, Waukesha, Lawshire, and Winnebago. The conditions. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be witnessed, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the nearshore waters from Sheboygan. Has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 3:30 a.m. At 2:05 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Cleveland to 19 nautical miles west of Port Washington, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Wind gusts will be chaotic, mostly from the southeast but briefly from the west during the strongest portion of the storm. Gusty southeast winds will continue for an hour or two after the storms. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Port Washington. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 5:15 a.m. At 4:20 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 6 nautical miles northwest of Wilmette Harbor, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Until 5:45 a.m. At 4:41 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles east of Wilmette Harbor to near Montrose Harbor to near Oakland Airport, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harris Beaver, Chris, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Cameron Marina, Jacksonport Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the nearshore marine forecast.